What's the meaning of cobbler? Cobbler. Cobbler.
Cobbler. Cobbler. The word cobbler has several meanings, but one of the most common is a person who repairs or makes shoes. A cobbler typically works with leather and uses various tools and techniques to fix or create footwear. The end result of a cobbler's work is a pair of shoes that has been restored or customized to fit the wearer's needs. Cobbler services can range from simple repairs like fixing a loose heel to more complex tasks like designing custom orthotics. In short, a cobbler is a skilled artisan who helps keep our feet comfortable and stylish.